Hello po, vlog. Maulan po dito po.
It's raining in London, baby.
Hello po.
So we are going to Maritime National Museum. Hindi. Pwede tayo pumasok dyan. Sabi sa Google, it's open.
O sige, hintay tayo dito.
And it's raining, baby. Oh.
Dito ka na. Tingnan na.
It's open. Tingnan natin doon sa harapan. Nasa likod tayo, sabi mo. Tingnan natin sa harapan. So, it's raining. And I can feel the sipon. Hala, lumalakas yung ulan. Alright, it's National Maritime Museum. It's raining. Cats and dogs. So there is a construction going on and it's raining. Hope you don't mind my my lens. It's having a difficulty. It's raining. Kahapon dala-dala ko yung payong ko. Hindi umulan. Iniwanan ko yung payong ko. Umulan. Ayun o. So, nandun yung mga tao. I do not know kung open. Pero I hope it's open. Kasi nandoon sila. And there is a construction going on. The Queen's House. Oh, free entrance daw, oh. Oh, pero sabi free entry. Sabi free entrance. Oh, it's raining.
Open na daw. It's free.
Sabi? Baka doon.
Hindi naman po.
Saan? Wow, pero in fairness ang sarap ng ulan sa balat. Hindi nga, totoo, seryoso. Sinabi sa'yo? Tinext ka? Oh. The Queen's House, entrance. Ako muna. I think guys, it's close. Staff only. Ayan. So unfortunately guys, it's closed because they are having a construction inside the Maritime Museum. So it's closed. We went there to that door. Unfortunately, it's closed because it's raining, so we need to wait here muna, no, as of the moment, and check the weather. I'll be back, guys. You know, sayang hindi ko na video yung ano, mga bata na asking for money for ano daw, Disneyland. They're going to Disneyland. They're asking for money. Oh, it's heavy rain. Ah, so that is the National Museum maybe. Oh my goodness, ano ba namang... So, kaya nga eh. Let's take over here. Okay, gala po, more National Maritime Museum is right there. So where's the entrance? Okay. Alright, alright, alright. Goodness.
Welcome. Just through there.
It's gone. Oh my goodness. Oh, there is a restaurant. Ah. Oh my, so this is it. So mali yung ano, binalita sa akin kanina na closed daw. Oh, may toilet to. Hey, Judith, you can pee. Do no? So there is a Maritime Greenwich. Aha, aha, aha. Ang laking tulong sa akin itong payong ko. Okay. My goodness. This is the Maritime National Museum. Grabe, tour na agad tayo. Hindi pa tayo nagpupunas ng ano. ng ulan sa katawan. Uy, si Hill. Coffee shop. Alright, so this is the first step. Visitor route. Okay, astronomy photographer of the year. Alright, alright, alright. So I am with my payong. Earth and space. Wow, so nice in here. So more on gallery. Okay guys, punasan muna natin yung lente ng camera kasi galing tayo ng ulan.
the different holes where they put the fish. Here's one.
Cargo. Maritime Museum. Bakit ako? Pwede naman ikaw. Tanong mo na. Kung open daw yung ano, Queen's House. Queen's House. Ano?
Open.
Oh.
Where?
Oh.
Where go where?
Doon no, pag ganun. Pag ganun. Yung kanina ayaw mo puntahan. Sure ka? Wala na ulan? Ah, wala na. Thank you, Lord. Ah, thank you, Lord. Wala na ulan. Ayun. Thank you, Lord. Wala nang ulan. Kaya, ang mga Dora at Doro, start na naman.
Dora at Boots yan.
Oo. Wala nang ulan. Sabagay, sabi naman ni Siri 2 hours daw uulan.
Andan, wala na.
Oo, wala na. Puro ano na siya. Lamig na lang. Wala nang wet. Wala nang rain. Continue your visit at Royal Museum, Greenwich. Okay. So, saan siya? Visit the Royal Observatory, the home of Greenwich Mean Time and the Meridian Line, as well as the London's only planetarium. Enjoy great views over London. 400 meters away. 7 minutes.
Tingnan natin, maganda ba yung view? Layo.
Okay lang, basta walang ulan. Susma, nagbasa-basa ka pa. Kami papunta na. Wow, Judith, alam mo na. Picture dito, picture. Judith, alam mo na. Picture dito, picture. Okay. Wala na siyang ulan, kaya lang nasa ilalim tayo ng mga trees. Kaya medyo yung tubig, no? Yung ulan from the trees bumabagsak. So I need to wear my most expensive umbrella. Umbrella kailangan natin gamitin. So which way? That way? Or that way? Let's go straight. Wow, this is the kind of weather that I love. It's 20 degrees. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Mukhang lalawit ang dila ko dyan Alright, going to Royal Observatory. 6 minutes.
Almost there.
It's going up. So if you are in London, wear comfy shoes. So that is the London city.
Diba?
Sa taas, no?
Ay, ganito.
Oh my. Ang yabang, oh. Faster daw, faster. Uphill, uphill.
Uphill, 10.
Uphill, teng. My goodness gracious. Dapat pala nag-almusal ako ng kanin. Para may lakas. Ayun oh. Pataas tayo guys. Kaya kung pupunta kayo ng London, ihandaan nyo yung sarili nyo. Do more workouts. Para pagdating nyo dito sa London, ready kayo. Alright guys. So we finally made it. Wow, look at the view. Oh my goodness. Worth it. Wow, look at the view. So this is the... Alright, it's just a store. It's just Alright, so what's... Kasama mo si Judith? I'm sorry. Alright, what's upstairs? Let's go and check. Wala kayong kasawang umakyat, ha? Natural time. Time in your watch. Getting up time is one of the most hated moments of the day. The shape of alarm clocks has changed over the years, but they still perform the same function to awaken your dream still awake sleep. Since ancient times, people have invented ingenious machines to measure the passage of time. Oh my! So guys, unfortunately, we are having difficulty kasi yung ating yung ating iCloud puno na. Kahit tayo ay nakatera na, ay puno na yung ating iCloud. Oh, look at this one. Please push the door. Wow, what's inside? Let's take a look. Oh, it's closed. We cannot try. It's closed. Alright. It's gonna be hard in here. Up and down, up and down. Let me get down first. Oh, look at that. Ganyan ang bababaan natin. So steep. Ooh la la. It's too far. Oh. Oh my goodness. So what's inside of here is the shop. Okay, so that's it guys. That is the observatory. Oh la la. So basically guys, no, ito yung kanilang observatory. So I need to cut the video now kasi we are having difficulty, no. Puno na yung ating cloud. Mag-update lang ako, no. I think I need to buy 1 tera more. So I'll see you later guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next vlog.